Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the lush tropical forests of the world to discover the top 5 most fascinating birds of the tropics. Starting off at number 5, we have the Keel-Billed toucan, known for its colorful bill and playful personality. Next up, at number 4, we have the harpy eagle, one of the largest and most powerful birds in the world. Coming in at number 3, we have the resplendent quetzal, a bird of mythical beauty that was revered by the ancient Mayans. At number 2, we have the Wilson's bird of paradise, a bird with stunning plumage and unique courtship rituals. And finally, at number 1, we have the Philippine eagle, one of the rarest and most endangered birds in the world. With its powerful wingspan and majestic appearance, it's no wonder why it's known as the king of the birds. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing content like this.